Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Parmeet and I make content about fashion, beauty, travel and sometimes lifestyle as well. So as you guys can see by the title, this is a Nykaa haul video. The sale is going on right now, which is the Hot Pink sale. It's like second biggest sale of the year. The other one is I think Diwali and the Pink Friday sale. So I have bought a bunch of stuff from Nykaa and I'm gonna share all the offers and deals which are going on right now. So Nykaa is having amazing offers going on. I'm gonna share my recommendations of what I bought, and also I'll be sharing what discounts I got. So I think without any further ado, let's get into the video. These are sort of my luxe boxes and the other ones are like hi. And I had couple more actually which I just threw yesterday. So I'll be starting off with Colourpop. I got their eyeshadow palettes. It's their Colourpop pressed powder palette and I got it in the shade Mauvin Up and Blush Baby. So I got it on buy one get one offer. It was a steal deal. Each of them retails for 15.99, but I got both of them at the price of one. The pigments are way too amazing, way too smooth and very pigmented. So the next product I got are these e.l.f. concealers. The one is in the hydrating range and the other one is their 16-hour mattifying range. So I got both of them for 900 rupees. I know one retails for 900 rupees and the other one I think it was for 849, but again I got them on buy one get one offers, so it was a steal deal. Like I have this e.l.f. one before as well and I purchased it for 900 rupees and I got both of them at the price of one. I really like this one, but I got a wrong shade of this, so I ordered a little deeper shade this time so that I can mix and use them together. The next thing I got are these Huda Beauty lip kits. So I got such amazing offer on Huda Beauty because I purchased like 4 products from Huda. Firstly, they were on 50%, mostly not this, but these were on 50% sale. Then I got additional 20%. I think it was a pro offer or I think Prime offer because I am a pro and Prime member both. I bought these 4 items and I got additional 20% off, which was really a huge, discount. If you see by the price, it was a huge discount. I got one lip trio in the shade Pinky Brown, Interview and Bombshell, and the other one has Rusty Pink, Rendezvous and Icon. So these were the 2 lip kits which I ordered and these looks really premium. So I'm gonna show you both of these. So these looks very premium. It was on the 50% sale, which was like 1375. It originally cost for 2700 something and I got it on sale for like 1375 and there were additional 20% off, which made it for 1100 per kit. कैन यू गाइज बिलीव 1100 पर किट. आप अगर एक लिपस्टिक भी लोगे ना, इसकी अगर ऑफर पे भी थी तो आप सिंगल लिपस्टिक लोगे वो 1100 की थी, या सिंगल ये वाला लोगे तो वो 1100 ओरिजिनली है बट 900 पे था एंड देन दिस ऑल्सो ऑन 900. तो 1100 फॉर अ कंप्लीट किट इज लाइक बॉम्ब. So I wanted to order this Interview. I already had this mini version of Interview which I am wearing right now. So I already had this Interview in the mini, like in the mini variant. I had this shade already. So I really loved this shade. So I kind of inclined towards buying this out in a bigger size. So that's that. Next thing I got is the Huda Faux Filter Luminous Matte Concealer and I bought the shade 2.5G Nougat. I am not trying out anything as of now. I'm gonna make a separate video where I'll be trying out new makeup and create a look out of it. So this is just a haul video because I want you to guys purchase as soon as possible because the sale is till 28th of July. So there are amazing offers going on right now. If you want to purchase, you can go and purchase. That's why I am just shooting from my camera and showing you the haul whatever I got, and if you want to buy anything out of it, and you can get it on sale and on like cheaper prices. So that was the motive of making this video. So as I mentioned, I got this Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. It looks really chic. It's very similar to their foundation which I have, like the Huda Beauty foundation. And next thing I got is this Easy Bake powder. So I had Easy Bake in the shade Banana Bread, but I wanted pure white powder to experiment a bit. So I bought this powder. I don't know where. Yeah, just tears up every time. So I bought this white powder from Huda Beauty in the shade Sugar Cookie. So it's a pure white powder, because sometimes when I work on clients the powder looks too, yellow. So I wanted to have a white powder so that it can neutralize a yellow. I already had the banana bread, so that's a really nice shade for Indian skin tones. So this is just for the brightening part, and I got it at such an amazing deal, Originally I think it retails for 3,250, but mostly it's on sale. I think 5%, 10% sale. So there was a sale, I think 30% or 40%. So I was getting it for like 2,275, like 2,275. But additional 20% off on all Huda. Sorry guys, I had to leave. I got yet another parcel. So I was on Huda Beauty. So I was just telling you the price. I got it for 1,820, I think. The full size, Their mini comes for 1,800 at a regular price. But I got the full size at 1,820, which was a crazy deal for me. I was all up for it. So मैंने ये purchase करा. So the next product I got are these Super Shock shadows from Colourpop again. Since the Colourpop is on buy one get one, I got 4 of them, like 2 at the price of 1. So I got it in the shade Mighty Morphin. Then I got the shade Ladybird. Then I got it in the shade Ritz. Last but not the least, the shade Frog. So when I tried all of them, the order आया मेरे पास, when I tried all of these, so I really loved the shade Ritz. ये मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा shade. बाकी सब भी अच्छे थे, but not as great as the shade Ritz. तो मेरे को Ritz था बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ गया, and it's my life कि मेरे को कुछ भी एक चीज़ पसंद आती है, it always get either out of stock or it gets discontinue. तो मेरी ये दिस हैज बीन होल माई लाइफ कि मेरे को कुछ भी पसंद आता है वो डिसकॉन्टिन्यू हो जाता है, मैं दोबारा परचेज नहीं कर पाती. सो फॉर द सेफर साइड, गर्ल मैथ, आई परचेज रिट्स अगेन. मैंने 2 रिट्स लिए एक के प्राइस पे. एक रिट्स ऑलरेडी मेरे पास आ गया था. देन आई गॉट 2 मोर रिट्स ऑन बाय वन गेट वन ऑफर, सिंस ये मेरे को कब से चाहिए था एंड ये सेल पे नहीं आ रहा था. तो जब सेल पे आया तो आई वेंट ऑल क्रेजी फॉर इट. सो मैंने 2 और मंगा लिए. सो आई हैव 3 रिट्स नाउ एंड 3 अदर शेड्स. लाइक in quantity wise देखा जाए तो I got 6 वो, but color wise I got 4 shades. उसके ही 2 extra मैंने बैकअप के लिए मंगा के रखे हैं, because I think this is like a perfect shade. ये मेरे ब्राइडल मेकअप्स पे जा सकता है, ये मेरे क्लाइंट वर्क पे जा सकता है. दिस इज एक्चुअली अ ड्यूप ऑफ अर्बन डिके काउबॉय, जो अर्बन डिके का एक 2500 का इतना सा आता है ना. इट्स लाइक अ ड्यूप फॉर दैट एंड इट्स रियली स्मूथ. इट्स वेरी पिगमेंटेड, वेरी स्मूथ, एंड आई कुड नॉट रेव अबाउट इट इनफ. सो या, आई रियली like these, so I ordered a backup for it. So the next product I got are these Etude House blushes. ये मेरे को लेना नहीं था, कुछ काम का नहीं है, but it was really cute. ये मुझे बस cute है, मेरे को ये चाहिए था actually. It's their Dear Darling water tint. I got the shade Cherry 8, I think, as far as I remember. It was the shade 02 Cherry 8. So since I was getting out of my Benetint, ये काफ़ी थोड़ी सी रह गई थी. So I was looking for a cheap substitute, because ये मैं रोज़ ही यूज़ करती हूँ, तो मेरे को ये बहुत एक्सपेंसिव पड़ता है. अभी सेल पे भी ये 1700 समथिंग का था, 1800 ऑलमोस्ट, तो इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. दिस टाइम आई वांटेड टू गो फॉर अ ड्यूप, सो आई फाउंड दिस परफेक्ट ड्यूप. आई हैवंट ट्राइड इट, मैं ट्राई करके बताऊंगी कैसा है. सो आई थिंक it does the same job. I'll try and let you know, guys. And the other one is this, their lovely cookie blusher in the shade Grapefruit. I think it was, Grapefruit Jelly. So it comes with a cute sponge, very cute sponge. I was all up for it. मैंने ये खरीदा ही I think इस cute sponge के लिए है, and ये brush भी काफ़ी pretty है. Oops, sheet उड़ गई. So this is the Grapefruit shade. I think it's really very pretty. ये कोरियन ब्रांड है, तो ये कोरियन मेकअप वैसे ही काफ़ी क्यूट सा होता है ना, छोटू सा. तो दिस इज़ अ कोरियन ब्रांड अगेन. सो I'll be trying it out later on. So yeah, it's just the cute packing, cute product. So ये बस क्यूटनेस के लिए ही मैंने परचेज किया है, nothing else. मैं Etude House का जब ये मंगा रही थी तो मुझे ये दिख गया था बस, तो I said why not. Moving on to the next product, I got this Makeup Revolution Pout Bomb Plumping Lip Gloss with Vitamin E. and मतलब ये बेसिकली लिप प्लम्पर है. अभी मैंने ट्राई आउट नहीं करा, शायद मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता ये इतना प्लम्पिंग इफेक्ट देगा, एज फार एज आई हैव सीन द वीडियोस. तो तो ये मैंने क्लियर ग्लॉस की तरह लिया। एक्चुअली मुझे लिप ग्लॉसेस नहीं पसंद इतनी, बिकॉज लिप ग्लॉसेस ना इधर उधर फैलती है, लिप प्लम्पर्स बहुत कम फैलते हैं, इसलिए आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर लिप प्लम्पर ओवर लिप ग्लॉसेस. सो या आई एम गोना यूज इट एज अ लिप ग्लॉस. सो दिस इज it. It's in the shade Glaze, you know, the clear one. So last but not the least, I got this Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Setting Makeup Spray. It's again for my client work, जो मैं मेकअप का मेरे क्लाइंट होंगे. ये भी मुझे काफ़ी सस्ते रेट पे मिल गया. ये स्प्रे इट कम्स विद 2 caps. सो दैट्स दैट. ये काफ़ी वर्ल्ड वाइड फेमस, आर्टिस्ट फेमस स्प्रे है. I think this is gonna work great. I haven't tried. I'll just let you know guys about the update. So अभी मैंने 2 चीज़ें और ऑर्डर करी हुई हैं जो कि अभी तक आई नहीं है मेरे पास, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter का वो मैंने 3 fair shade में ऑर्डर करा है. I've ordered that. I'll just put a picture here and there. I got that for 1500 something. ऑफर में था, वैसे 1900 का है. एंड सेकेंड थिंग आई गॉट इज दी क्लिनिक ब्लेमिश बाम, जो मेरे एक्ने के लिए काम आती है. सो वो भी अभी तक नहीं आई है. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट. अगर आ जाती है तो मैं अभी शूट कर दूंगी, नहीं आती तो I'm gonna just add a picture कि मैंने क्या लिया, कितने का लिया. दैट आई गॉट फॉर 1050. तो वो मेरे को एक्ने के लिए काफ़ी सूटेबल लगती है. तो अभी तक आई नहीं है सिंस इट्स अ मानसून सीजन, बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है तो डिलीवरीज काफ़ी डिले हो जाती हैं. So yeah, that was all the offers which I got. If you guys wanted to buy anything out of it, or if you wanted to know the offers, I think you should just go through a Nykaa app once. And I think आपके लिए best purchase अगर आपको concealers purchase करने हैं तो ये होगा. This is my recommendation for you guys. Buy one get one पे एक के रेट पे आपको 2 मिल रहे हैं, so why not. And again Huda Beauty पे आप चेक कर सकते हैं, बहुत सारी सेल चल रही है अभी. तो या आप ये लिप किट्स भी देख सकते हैं, वहाँ पे काफ़ी कम रेट पे आ रखी हैं अभी. कलर पॉप आप डेफिनेटली चेक करें, उनकी 2 चीज़ें एक के रेट पे मिल रही हैं. मेरे को तो अभी भी बहुत मन कर रहा था, एक लालच आ रहा था कि मैं ये ऐसे वाले कलर पॉप के पैलेट्स और ऑर्डर कर दूँ, बट मैं इतना सारा मेकअप इकट्ठा नहीं करना चाहती. आई थिंक विद दैट आई एम डन विद माई रिकमेंडेशंस. यू कैन गाइज चेक आउट द सेल. जो भी बाय वन गेट वन में, आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू गेट दैट, क्योंकि काफ़ी अच्छे प्राइसेस पे मिल रहे हैं. एंड उनकी एक्सपायरी भी अभी कोई पास की नहीं है, 2 साल बाद की है. सो या आई थिंक दैट्स लाइक अ great deal. Yeah, I think that was it for the video, and I'll be trying out all of this makeup in a separate YouTube video which I'll be shooting in couple of days, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, with that I think we're gonna end this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, goodbye.